Alright, so today we're gonna chop Juan's mufflers off. He has these two really big ones on that side and this side. He's gonna give it a rev for you guys, a little brap. Go for it! Let's do it. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. So, we're gonna go ahead and chop this thing up with this big ass saw. Let's do it. Wish us luck. Whoa, dude.
Take it slow, man.
That shit's crucial. Holy shit. Here we go. Here we go, ready? Damn it, it like knocks it out, dude. It's not good. Clearly not, right?
Mm-hmm.
Damn it. Is it free yet? We can probably just
blade
pry.
is no good. Look at it.
Holy shit.
Fucking yeah, look at that. I
Damn.
know.
Alright, so we went ahead and courtesy of my mom, she donated one of these blades for us in order to cut the other side because the first one bent, as you saw. So we're gonna get to it right meow. Let's go.
We also took off the other one completely. So
Hell
it's
yeah.
right there.
Let's do it.
Oh shit. Yeah. That was very violent, and we have no bueno
Let me see.
already. It's just bending more.
Should I keep trying it?
I mean, yeah,
Oh shit. This one bent too, yo.
bro, it's been bent.
For real?
Yeah, that's why I was like
Oh.
fucking trying to.
God damn, what's up with your car, man? Breaking everything.
Fucking
Yeah, I'm gonna
told you,
fucking
man.
still put it on. Here we go. Here we go. Yo, lift up the
Fucking Ricky.
Oh shit.
Don't,
Fuck, dude.
doesn't even want to go in, bro. That shit's too big. Oh god. Just what we needed.
Snapped it right off.
Hey, watch out, that shit's hot. Just try to aim at whatever you're doing over there.
Taking these little bushing things out. Fuck it. Fuck these bitches. There we go. Damn.
Just bend that shit, man. What you
No, it
doing?
has another bushing back here.
Oh, I was not aware. Let me try to get that thing. Oh wow. Wow.
There we go,
That came
guys.
off easily. What the fuck? Look at all that dust in there. I want to look. Let me see what's in there. Whoa.
At least we got it off.
Look at all that crud. All that smoke passing through there. Look
Weight
at
reduction.
what we just did. Yeah, we just.
Show them these two Jones, bro.
Damn. All that weight reduction.
This is about maybe like 30 pounds.
Dang.
Yeah.
Let's give it some revs.
Tucking. Let's hear it. Oh, that is nice. Holy shit. Something spat out at me, bro. Alright, so what made you decide to go ahead and, you know, chop the mufflers off?
It's just way too quiet stock. Didn't like it, you know?
Yeah?
Who likes how like a stock car sounds like? Especially if it's like an Acura or Honda, like you don't want it to sound stock.
Yeah. So you passed
Oh,
the
yeah.
missions,
I just passed the missions yesterday.
and
it was
what'd you decide to do?
just decided to chop off the mufflers the next day.
Shit. That's what we do out here. We chop mufflers the day after emissions is passed. Stay tuned, we got more shit coming for you.
Peace.